Hello, my name is Eileen. This is our research subject, and my research is for movie and the television industry to see Korea diplomatic. Now we can see that Korea grow very quickly, not only Asia or Europe or get popular. This list is from Korean movies and the television industry to find Korea diplomatic. Korean movie and the television industry can divide by movie, drama, and the program. Maybe Korean movie in Taiwan not very popular, but Korean drama is very popular in Taiwan. Taiwan people love Korean drama more than Taiwanese drama and the idol drama. And the Korea program can divide to reality shows and the reality shows. Reality shows is very used popular in Asia, even China copy Korea. And this is my research method.